Hello students, have a wonderful morning to all. Welcome back to the session of virtual classes. I am Sabita Srivastava, your math teacher. Today we will do measurement of an angle. How to measure an angle? We have to use protractor for measuring an angle. This is called the protractor for measuring the angle. So a protractor is divided into 180 degrees or equal divisions, and these divisions are called the degrees. You can see 0 to 180 degree from this side and 0 to 180 degree from this side. So we can measure angle by using the protractor from the both of the sides. And center of the protractor, this is the center of the protractor. I am marking here O. So O is the center of the protractor. I already told you a protractor is divided into 180 equal division in difference of 10 degrees, 0 to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 80 and 100, 170 and 180. So this is divided into 180 equal divisions in difference of 10 degrees. So you can see, I already told you, this is the center of the protractor. Now I am showing, this is the protractor, and already I told you this is the center of the protractor, and protractor is divided into 180 equal division from the both side. You can see 0 to 180 and from this side also 0 to 180. So we can measure an angle by using this protractor from the both of the side, this side and this side. So now I will explain types of angle. How many types of angles are there? First type is acute angle. An angle whose measures is less than 90 degree but more than 0 degree is called acute angle. ऐसे एंगल जो 90 डिग्री से कम होते हैं मगर 0 डिग्री से ज़्यादा होते हैं, these are called the acute angle. You can see this is a 40 degree angle, so this is no less than 90 degree, so this is an acute angle. How to measure? I will tell you how to measure an angle. So this is the center of the protractor. This is the center of the protractor, and we have to place center of protractor to the vertex. Vertex कहाँ है? जहाँ two rays are meeting. This is called the vertex of an angle. So we will place center of the protractor to the vertex of the angle. Now you can see, अगर आपको नज़र आ रहा है properly, so this ray जो एंगल वाली रे है एग्जैक्टली ऑन 40 डिग्री. सो दिस इज ऑफ 40 डिग्री एंगल, एंड 40 डिग्री एंगल इज लेस देन 90 डिग्री. 90 डिग्री एंगल्स I will tell you. Suppose I want to draw angle of 90 degree. So we have to place center of the protractor on starting of the line, and if we will place protractor in this way 90 डिग्री एग्जैक्टली यहाँ पर होगा. अगर आप इसको ड्रॉ करते हैं तो दिस इज़ ऑफ 90 डिग्री एंगल, दिस इज़ 40 डिग्री. यू कैन सी, आपको देखने से ही पता चल रहा है, दिस इज़ 90, दिस इज़ 40. सो एन एंगल लेस देन 90 डिग्री, अगर 90 डिग्री से कम है, दिस इज़ एन एक्यूट एंगल. नाउ you can see in the clock time shown and time is 7:25. You can see our hand exactly beyond the 7 and minute hand exactly on 5. So time is 7:25. Angle made by the hands is an acute angle. You can see hands of clock making an angle. एक angle बन रहा है hands of clock के बीच में, and this is acute angle. Acute angle means this is less than 90 degree. So this is example of acute angle. Right angle, an angle whose measures is 90 degree exactly is called right angle. You can see this is a right angle. I am placing center of the protractor on the vertex of angle. Now you can see this is exactly, this line exactly on 90 degree. So this is of 90 degree angle. So an angle whose measures 90 degree, जो 90 डिग्री के होते हैं एग्जैक्टली, these are right angle. So this is a right angle. You can see this is a clock and time shown in the clock and time is 3 o'clock and between both of the hands of clock मेकिंग एन एंगल, एक एंगल बन रहा है दोनों हैंड्स के बीच में एंड दिस इज ऑफ 90 डिग्री. अगर आपको नज़र आ रहा है यू कैन सी दिस इज ऑफ एग्जैक्टली 90 डिग्री. सो दिस इज एग्जाम्पल ऑफ 90 डिग्री एंगल. नाउ ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल, वन मोर टाइप ऑफ एंगल, एन एंगल हुज मेजर इज मोर देन 90 डिग्री, जो 90 डिग्री से ज़्यादा होते हैं. दीज आर कॉल्ड जो 90 डिग्री से ज़्यादा होती हैं, दीज आर कॉल्ड द ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल. वन मोर टाइम, एन एंगल हुज मेजर मोर देन 90 डिग्री एंड लेस देन 180 डिग्री, 180 डिग्री से कम होते हैं लेकिन 90 डिग्री से ज़्यादा होते हैं. दीज आर कॉल्ड द ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल. यू कैन सी this is an angle of 120 degree and 120 degree is more than 90 degree. So this is a obtuse angle. You can see example is given. This is a clock and time shown in the clock and time is 5 o'clock. You can see between two hands of clock an angle is showing. एक एंगल नज़र आ रहा है एंड एंगल कितना है 90 डिग्री से, आपको देखने से ही पता चल रहा है. दिस इज़ मोर देन 90 डिग्री. इफ़ दिस इज़ 90 डिग्री, अगर इट इज़ ओपनिंग इन दिस वे, ज़्यादा खुला हुआ है, इट मीन दिस इज़ दिस इज़ मोर देन 90 डिग्री, इट मीन दिस इज़ ए ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल. सो व्हाट इज़ टाइम इन क्लॉक? टाइम इज़ 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock. सो द एंगल मेड इज़ एन ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल. जैसा मैंने आपको बताया दिस इज़ मोर देन 90 डिग्री. सो दिस इज़ ए एग्जाम्पल ऑफ ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल. स्ट्रेट एंगल, एन एंगल हुज मेजर इज़ 180 डिग्री इज़ कॉल्ड ए स्ट्रेट एंगल. जिनका मेज़र 180 डिग्री होता है एग्जैक्टली, दिस इज़ कॉल्ड, दीज आर कॉल्ड स्ट्रेट एंगल और 180 डिग्री एंगल. You can see time shown in the clock and time is 6 o'clock. Two hands of clock and between two hands of clock you can see angle between two hands of clock and कौन सा एंगल नज़र आ रहा है? स्ट्रेट एंगल, एकदम सीधा. So 180 degree angles are called straight angle. So hands between angle between both of the hands will be straight angle. This is example of straight angle. What is the time of clock? 6 o'clock. And this is showing example of straight angle. Now look at each of the following figure and state whether the marked angle is right angle or more than right angle or less than right angle. And then straight angle, you have to write type of angle also. This is scissor and we have to find out which type of angle is made over here, is making over here. यहाँ पर कौन सा एंगल है, या 90 डिग्री से कम है या 90 डिग्री से ज़्यादा है. अगर कम है तो which type of angle it is. You can see this is less than 90 degree. So less than 90 degree will be acute angle. Less than 90 degree will be acute angle. You can see here we have to find angle in arm. You can see, आपको देखने से नज़र आ रहा है this is less than 90 degree and less than 90 degree will be acute angle. Acute angle. You can see this is a flower and we have to find angle between two parts. You can see this is 90 degree or less than 90 degree. Yes, exactly 90 degree. So this is right angle. जो 90 डिग्री के होते हैं these are right angle. You can see we have to find angle between both of the sides. So angle will be 90 degree. अगर आप इनको मेज़र करोगे angle will be 90 degree. तो दिस इज़ राइट एंगल. टाइप ऑफ एंगल इज़ राइट एंगल. You can see a figure is given over here, and we have to find angle between two sides, and this is जो देखने से ही पता चल रहा है it is more than 90 degree. So this is type of angle is obtuse angle. So I am repeating one more